Just another night in California. Like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now, I am in Negril.
Seven Mile Beach, particularly the portion overlooking Long Bay, is lined with bars, restaurants and resorts, many of them international and all-inclusive. Long Bay opens onto a lagoon protected by coral reefs and is a snorkeling and scuba diving destination. Negril is another resort town in Jamaica, however, it exists in two parishes. Negril scatters between the parishes of Hanover and Westmoreland and is the most western point on the island. So, some of these attractions may go beyond Negril into Hanover or into Westmoreland. Regardless of which side they fall on, you can expect to enjoy some of the best aspects of both parishes.
So we're gonna have some bumpy ride right now, so enjoy. So enjoy the cool vibes in Negril.
30 minutes out of Negril on the Westmoreland side is the promise of relaxation and renewal at Blue Hole Mineral Springs. As with all mineral springs, the water has therapeutic and healing properties meant to nourish and recharge. Even the surrounding mud and sand are said to be good for the skin, rumor has it. The spring itself is a 20-foot drop that you can either descend by ladder or challenge yourself to dive into with other pro divers. The spring empties into a separate swimming pool, open to your enjoyment along with a bar and grill, cabana, and volleyball court. And at night, after the spring has closed, you can still have a place to enjoy your evening with music and an open bar, so overall there are two different ways to unwind. And the best part is that Blue Hole is off the beaten track and less tourist-filled, so you can enjoy your privacy. Jamaica's largest water park, even though I don't think there's much competition there, is the premier site for water-themed attractions on the islands, as seen with their 9 water slides of varying heights. However, Cool Runnings also has other attractions that go beyond the scope of a water park, such as a paintball park. Moreover, there is an adventure zone that consists of kayaking, outdoor laser tag, go-karting, rafting, canoeing and a human gyroscope. And to facilitate an all-day stay, the premises is equipped with a sports bar, juice bar, restaurant, grill and cafe. One of the more Negril adjacent attractions, Rhodes Hall Plantation offers an experience that we all wish to try: horseback riding. What makes it unique at Rhodes Hall is that they take you riding over different terrain. You'll get the pleasure of riding through rainforests, beaches, mangroves, crocodile ponds, coral coastlines, a mineral spring, and all terrain that is uniquely Jamaican. Moreover, the groups are small and by experience level, so you'll get some personal satisfaction as you ride at your own pace. After your tour, you are still free to enjoy nature hikes, birdwatching, and the mineral spring.
So enjoy our sweet, sweet Jamaica. So we're now in Palm Grove. know a lot of persons miss Negril. I know here is their favorite vacation spot in Negril. So because of the coronavirus, persons them cannot get to enjoy them sweet Jamaica. Yeah, man. We're now on the west end side. So on your right, you have the Rick's Cafe.
This is one of those rare moments when somewhere like a beach or restaurant is so iconic that it becomes an attraction in and of itself, on top of being a beach or restaurant. Since there is already an article on Rick's, I'll be brief. More than anything else, Rick's Cafe is known for their prime location, an open cove for cliff diving both seasoned pros and amateurs welcome, and a magnificent sunset. After sunset, this bar and restaurant transforms into a place to relax and enjoy a reggae band and suggestively named drink. Regardless of why you're here, you'll get an eyeful of scenery whilst having a guaranteed good time.
On your right, you have the cave.
Westmoreland is the westernmost parish in Jamaica, located on the south side of the island. It is situated south of Hanover, southwest of St. James, and northwest of St. Elizabeth, in the county of Cornwall. The chief town and capital is Savanna-la-Mar.
man, drink, I'm gonna enjoy and ride, you know? So this is what it looked like in 2021 in Negril, Westmoreland. Sunset Walk Bar and Grill.
Savanna-la-Mar, the capital town of the parish. This is the center of commercial activity in Westmoreland. Negril. This famous attraction is located in the Westmoreland constituency and is a part of the Negril cluster, which includes Negril, Sheffield and Mount Airy. Bethel Town.
So on your right you have the Pelican Lookout. Also on your left you have the Wild Coffee. having some bumpy ride. So thank you guys for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. And always remember to like, share and subscribe. And hit the notification bell for more videos. So as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified and you will know our sweet Jamaica, different places you can go and different places you never know. So always remember to hit the like button, okay?